All right, so this is a lead from my friend, but I don't think the vehicle's actually here. I'm pretty sure I'm in the right spot about by 90%, because there's 3 turnouts here. I'm in the middle, and it's supposed to be like right down here. I just don't see nothing down here. He could have been looking at this tree log right here from Google or whatever GPS he was using. There's a huge part of a tree right here. He could have seen that and mistaken it for it. It wasn't that far out of the way, so it's no big deal, but he uses like 3 or 4 different satellites. I only use one, so this guy could see cars that I can't see. But I also could be wrong. Let's look up here a little bit more. And this isn't the 74 anymore. I believe this is the 371 highway. Yeah, I just don't see a vehicle down here. He said it could just be a cab of a truck, but I've said it in my other videos, but I'm thinking about starting to collect cans while I'm out here, because I find so many aluminum cans. They're just everywhere, especially off these steep hills. I'll be crawling down and there's like just cans everywhere. Every video I make, guys, costs me over $60 in gas. Remember that. So if I post 3 videos in a week, that's $180 in fuel. I spend a fortune in fuel. I could buy a really fuel efficient vehicle, but I'd rather take my truck because it's 4-wheel drive. I can pull over in areas where you can't pull over in a regular car, and I won't sink. And if I do sink, I could get out. Yeah, there's no car here. Let me go up just a little bit further just in case we're in the wrong spot. Oh, wow. There's an injured hawk down there. Oh, it could fly. There it is. I thought it was injured. I think I spooked it. It was down there messing with something. So I have one of my subscribers. He lives here in the city of Anza, and he told me whenever I'm in the area to contact him, he'll come help me look. But honestly, didn't think I was going to be out this far. I thought I was just going to be staying off the 74. So if you're that subscriber, I'm sorry, man. I'm here in your city and I can't find any cars. Let's take one final look over here. I see a pallet. That could have maybe misjudged him or something, but I'm gonna go get my truck because it's way out there, and I'm gonna drive it to the next turnout. We'll look off over here also. We might be in the wrong area, but I don't think we are. I think we're in the correct area. It's just the image he saw just wasn't what he was thinking. Sometimes you're 100% on the images and sometimes you're not, you know. Let's keep rolling, y'all. All right, folks, I want to show you something to make sure I'm in the right area. Look at this pile of dirt here. I'm going to show you a Google image right now. All right, y'all, notice the circle of dirt right there in the center of the page. That's exactly where I'm standing, so we know we are in the right location. Yeah, guys, so the vehicle's not here. I mean, unless it's behind a tree back there, I mean, I don't see nothing here. So on to the next, y'all, on to the next. Even if it was here, guys, I don't even know if I can get down this without tying a rope to my truck or something, because this is, I don't even know if you can walk down this. And I know for sure you can't make it up unless you're using ropes. Let's get out of here, y'all. On to the next. Two more. We gotta find at least one. We got 3 cars pinned. We have to find 1 car today, guys. Remember, we got $60 worth of gas riding on the line. All right, guys, I was just getting ready to leave, and check this out. There is a way down there, so we'll put the snake gaiters on, get the hiking pole, and we'll go down and look, so we're 100% sure. Stay with me. Remember, guys, today, reverse psychology. Today's going to be extremely hard. You get it? So hopefully it'll be easy. I don't mind hard though, guys. I love doing this. I love looking for cars on my free time, but finding free time is the thing. So I can only do this 1 to 2 times a week, sometimes 3. And I try to make good videos for you guys and myself. I enjoy video editing, and I really enjoy it. This is a perfect place for a snake, so I'm doing the tap dance over here. Wow, this is really steep. You could tell people have been coming down here. They probably come over here and fish this river or something. I'm not really sure. Stay tuned, y'all. Hey guys, what are the odds of this? Look, I just come down the trail. Here's the trail, walking right here. And what is on the trail? Look at this. Look at this. Look at the teeth on that. Is that a deer? Is that crazy? I mean, there's no meat on it. It's been here for a while, but maybe no one's been here for a while. All you people from YouTube that know about hunting and stuff and animals, what is this? Crazy. You know what? I'll grab this on the way out. Looks like some animal has been chewing on it. Look, the top of the skull's been chewed on real bad. So we'll take this home, guys. This might be something really interesting. Stay tuned. Look, here's like part of the hip of the animal. Here's like the lower abdomen area. And here's like some legs and stuff. Look. That was a pretty big animal though, look. Each one of these bones are probably 8 inches. This one's probably 8 or 9 inches, this one. But I don't know. Oh, look. The farther I walk, the more I find. Here's a rib cage. Oh, here's the whole spine. Wow, that was a huge animal. Look at that. Look at that, man. That's crazy. And you could tell the animals have been chewing on this thing. Interesting. They might have got hit by a car, guys from up top, and, you know, came down and died down here. But what is this? YouTube, do your work. What is this? Interesting, interesting. We just started this mission and we're already finding crazy stuff. Man, now I'm seeing bones all over the place down here. Look. Here's an older bone right here. If that head's laying there, that means no one's been down here in a while, you know? I'm not liking this area though. It's like, I smell snakes, guys. I smell snakes. I'm finding bones everywhere, boy. All right, I don't see a vehicle back here. I mean, unless it's buried behind these trees. Let's try to walk around. Stay tuned. Let me turn the camera off. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is walk to the top of this hill. We don't see a car, we're out of here because we have 2 other cars we've got to hit today. And it's already pretty late in the day. I think it's like 1 o'clock. They're all local, but I got to be home in a decent hour. Got a lot of things to do today. Some stuff I got to catch up on work. And the size of these pine cones down here are just huge. Look at this. Wow. All y'all, I'm here. All I see is a pallet. There's a pallet down there. I don't see a vehicle anywhere. So it looks like we're up and out of here, y'all. All right, y'all, we made it to the top. I'll put the skull on my tailgate and film it with my iPhone and get a really up close image of see what it is. All right, guys, here we go. It's got some big canine teeth. Look at that, upper and lower. Like I said earlier, you can tell something's been chewing on the back of its head. Look at that. So I'm just gonna guess this is either some kind of coyote, deer. I mean, I don't think it's a mountain lion. I think a mountain lion wouldn't have a big snout like that, but I could be wrong. I'm not a hunter, but if you're a hunter out there and you guys know about animals, please chime in on this. This is very interesting. The day got interesting already, guys. And we haven't even found a car. Stay tuned. Let's go to the next destination. All right, y'all, just pull over to make sure I'm at the right spot. I could be off 1 turnout or 2. But look how beautiful it is up here. It's just beautiful up here. See, we're in between the desert and the mountains, so we could travel another 10 miles the other direction and we'd be in the middle of the desert. It'd be 102 degrees. Here it's probably in the 80s, I'm guessing. But from what I'm seeing, I think I'm in the wrong area. I like to pull over and just double check myself. Even though if I know the car's not here, I'll just pull over and, you know, and take a look. Man, but look at this valley. See these telephone wires going all the way down right here, looping, and it's all flat out there. If you take that highway, well, actually I'm backwards. This highway cuts back around, and you'll eventually end up in Idlewild, and then also like over by the Ortega Highway if you keep going straight. I don't see a car here, so let's go out one more turnout and see what happens. I just wanted to pull over and show you guys how beautiful of a day it is up here. It's just unbelievable. This is just another car I can't find. It's messing with my mind. Maybe I should have brought my drone, you know? I don't like bringing my drone anymore because theft issues, you know? Someone gets inside my truck, it's $1,000 out the window. So, some days I'll still bring it though, just to have it with me. I'm gonna try to hike in the back way over here because I just can't find this car. Let's try looking here. I see a hiking trail, or that's either a hiking trail or animal trail down there. But I do not see a car down here, so we're gonna have to go down there somehow. Stay tuned on that, guys. Like I said earlier, look. Beer cans everywhere, guys. I might get some kind of device where I hook it to me and just start collecting cans when I'm out here. I know I keep saying that, but I keep repeating myself to talk myself into it. I think I could get down in here. Stay tuned, y'all. I'm gonna turn the camera back on when we get a lot closer. Okay, I got halfway down. Let's try to get the rest here. I wouldn't call that easy, but it wasn't hard. Stay tuned, guys. Guys, I'm just gonna make a guess at this. I see car reflector stuff all over the ground here, and there's like a big image in the hill, like there was something there that's gone. I mean, I could be wrong. Like I said, I just don't visually see a car. Alright guys, I gotta stay extremely quiet. What luck do I have? The last video I posted, there was a beehive in the car. I just spotted the car. Whoa. Over here. Let me get out of the way. The gas tank's laying down there, and there's a beehive coming out of the gas tank. I mean, what kind of luck is that, guys? There's bees coming out of the gas tank. I wonder if I could hike to the car this way and stay away from the gas tank, if we'd be okay. Yeah, there was an opening on the gas tank and the bees were going in and out. So, what luck is that? All right, guys, stay tuned on this. I just want to catch a glimpse of this car. Guys, I hit a brick wall with this tree here. Maybe I can go around, hold on. Okay, guys, I could see a glimpse of the car, but there's bees everywhere. They're not landing on me. Let me see if I can just inch in closer. Stay tuned. Guys, you're not going to believe this. It's not even the right car. The bee-infested car is way down there. But I found another car here. I wonder if I could wiggle over to it. Stay tuned. Guys, I'm not sure if you can see it through this tree, but I'm trying to make my way in there. But man, there's bees over here. There's not a lot of them, but they're swarming around me. I just need to make it there, film it, and get the hell out of here, and we'll go to the next one. Forget this other car that's bee infested. I just want to film this one. Stay tuned. Guys, I'm not going to do it, but I'm just going to film from here. Look at this. I tried making a little hole right here, but it drops down through here like 5 feet. I can't even get my foot to the bottom down there. But look. It almost looks like a Model A or something. I don't know what that is. It's only the front clip of it. I just can't get to it. And then right in front of that, about 20 feet down, is the white car that's bee infested. So that's why I'm just laying low on this bush over here. Can you guys make out this car just from this image? What do you think? I don't know, guys. I think I'm just gonna call it right here. It's funny, a lot of cars, I'll get 5 to 8 feet from them and I can't get to them. I like to touch cars. Hands-on experience, but this one, I don't want to go through here because all these bees and stuff flying around, if I get bombarded in there, I'm screwed. I won't be able to get out. I won't be able to run and panic, you know, and so I'm just gonna film it from right here. Hope you guys could figure something out on this. All right, guys, let's try to find that last car. Let's get out of here. Yeah, guys, I really need to start bringing my drone again. You know, because if I can't make it, send the drones. Even if there's bees, just send the drones. We just, you know, hover. We'll just hover like 10 feet above the car so we don't harm the bees. But I really need to start bringing my drone again because we don't know what type of cars those were. Maybe that cut up one might have been a Model A or something, but the white one, you just don't know. Got bees flying all over me. Guys, remember, when you hike out here in these wicked terrains, you're gonna find the weirdest stuff. And look, here's a sad find to find. The front of a Harley Davidson front emblem. It's plastic, it's not metal, but that's crazy. So you guys know how that got there. Accidents, guys. Either that or someone threw a stolen bike off the cliff, but you just never know. On these cars, you'll never know the whole story. That's the fun about it. It's the mystery, you know, you just don't know. It's the mission, guys. That's what it's all about, is the experience. It's fun finding these cars and everything, but getting out here in the outdoors is mainly the best part of it. Even days I don't find cars, you know, it's still a very interesting day to me. It's funny, guys, when I crawl out of these canyons onto these roads, I look at the eye contact of the people driving by, and they're just staring at me like, is this guy crazy? What the hell is he doing? Here comes the car. Let me get out of the way. Tune in, guys. Hold on a minute. Guys, look at this vulture. Some kind of vulture right here. Look at this. He's looking for his next victim. Thank God it wasn't me. This one I understand, guys. Like, look. Here's a pair of women's underwear, look. Just laying out here in the middle of nowhere, like, how does that even happen? Maybe they were laying in a bed of a truck and they flew out. I just don't know. Here's my mile marker. If any of you guys want to show me up and hike to that car and get involved in those bees, handle it. Post a video and show me up. I'm serious. I don't want to get hit by a bunch of bees, guys, especially when you have no way to escape. That's the problem. I can handle a couple stings, but I'm not going to venture around a beehive and start making noises with my hiking pole, tapping on metal, etc. I'd rather just walk away and save my life for the next car. And remember, guys, we've got one car ahead of us. So stay tuned, y'all. Oh yeah, guys, one more thing. I pulled over the other day when I was filming. I had the camera off. And I pulled over off a turnout like this, and it was sand. It had a grade to it that was going downward. Well, I was trying to park off the road so I can get away from the public, you know. I sank. I sank in the sand. I was in two-wheel drive. If I didn't have four-wheel drive, I would have been so screwed, guys. All I did is hit my four-wheel drive button, crawled right out. Thank God. That's why I'd rather just pay the price on the gas on a big V8 truck with four-wheel drive than buy a little gas sipper car, because you could really save yourself. But it's really smart if you could just stay off turnouts, you know, don't pull off in the gravel, because you never know, you guys, stuff looks like it's sand, stuff looks like it's rock, and you could sink instantly. So you can't predict anything. That's why it's called accidents. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're in the same area I was the other day. It's really tripping me out. I keep looking at my GPS and we're just right there. I mean, I don't know if you can see this GoPro, but there's two yellow signs. There's one there and one down there more. Supposedly there's a car somewhere right in here. So I don't know if it's there. Let's just have a look. I really wanted just to find one car today and get my hands on it, and I'm not sure if that's going to happen, especially with all these beehives around. It makes it really difficult having these beehives around, but you know, guys, we have to have bees in this world, so I can't complain too much. Let's strap up all the gear. And let's hit it, guys. Let's do this, y'all. We're probably, I don't know, about 15 miles from the last vehicles that we found. But now, as you can see, we're in the desert. Very different terrain. Yeah, I was just here the other day hiking around and messing around, but I don't know. Let's go see if we can see something here. Man, my mind's totally backwards right now. I almost feel like I've already looked for this vehicle. I don't know, like my mind's playing tricks on me right now. I just can't figure it out. This might be a wasted video here. I don't know. I keep looking at my GPS and stuff, and I found so many cars out here. Sometimes I forget if I found them or not. Like, but I've hiked all through here. The other day, I already made a video of this, but it's showing that there's a car here. I found it using a 3D version of Google. On Google, you could use 2D and 3D. I had the mode in 3D, and I found a car right here. I could see a car way out there. Maybe I was wrong, and maybe it's the car I found, but I mean, I just want to show you guys, there was a car here at one time. Here it is in the center of the screen. I hiked my butt all the way down this canyon just to prove to you this car is gone. Look, I'm parked right there at that turnout. Like I said, I've already tried to hike to these cars down here. I just can't make it. You can't probably see it with the GoPro, but there's a car down there. But I had another one pinned. It was like right here. Maybe what I'll do is walk along the street and go around this turn, and maybe it's over there. I don't know. I'm just totally lost right now. Sometimes you get turned backwards. Look at this. Thing's hot as hell too. Stay tuned, guys. Let me see if I can figure this out. Man, guys, I'm on top of the world up here. Guys, I'm not sure if I'm reading this correctly, but I've never in my life seen Gatorade in a can. Look at that. I mean, I'm 45 years old. I've never drank Gatorade out of a can, and that says Gatorade, look. That's crazy. Gatorade in a can? What? Wow. The stuff you find walking around in the desert. Unbelievable. So I told you guys I was going home. Well, I looked down and said, you know, I've already checked this whole area, but what if I just look off 20 more feet this way and maybe there's a car down there? I don't know. Let's go look, because if I go home, I won't be able to sleep tonight wondering, what if I walk down this hill 20 more feet the other direction and maybe I missed it? So that's what we're doing. Yeah, I don't see nothing. I don't see nothing. All right, guys, don't ask me how I got down here, but I got down here. I wiggled and wiggled and wiggled all the way down. And boy, let me tell you, could I wiggle. Thing is, will I be able to wiggle up this? I don't know. Might have to find a different way. Stay tuned, y'all. Guys, look at this. Look at the patina on this thing. It's like a vintage ceiling tile. Look at that. See that? That is so cool. Look at the design on that. Crazy. I believe that's a vintage ceiling tile. What do you guys think? We gotta get going, guys. We got a car to find. Stay tuned. Guys, look how steep this is. Is this crazy or what? I'm just crawling down through the rocks. Anywhere I could get a footing to come down here. I mean, this is steep. This is almost, you know, up and down, it feels like. It might not look like it in the picture, but if you throw a ball down this hill, it's coming down full speed, I'll tell you that much. See, here's a bumper to a car. I mean, they could have winched this car out. I see a center cap, guys. I see a center cap. I'm only taking it if it has a logo on it. I don't like these generic looking ones. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's like a Chevy Astro van. I'm not carrying that, I'm sorry. Wow, look at this. This is part of a car rim or a truck rim. Look at the condition of that. Oh my God. Yeah, they winched these cars out. There was probably a car down here and the insurance or an investigation team had it winched out of here with like some kind of special equipment. Because I don't see it. I don't see no car. Now how do I get out of here? I mean, I could look in this crack and crevice. Should I keep going just to check everything? Yeah, guys, I don't see no car. I don't see nothing down here. Let's get out of here. Tune in and subscribe, guys. I'm hiking out of here. I'm gonna go home and drink some water, about 10 bottles. Guys, look. I'm hiking out of here in between these, in this cactus. Look. Volkswagen. Heck yeah, dude. That is rad. I'm sure these things are everywhere, but it means a lot to me because it's a memory. A memory of me not finding no cars today. Now I'll take this home, wash it off, put it in my collection. I got 3 really cool center caps now. Guys, one other thing. I went back to my Danner boots for hiking. These things are the lightest, most comfortable boot ever to hike in because they move with your foot. They're not stiff-soled. So man, you can just like wiggle your toes and bend the bottom of your foot. It's so great. So I think my next pair is going to be Danner as well. Sometimes I throw these center caps because I want to have open hands when hiking, and I'll go back and get them when I get higher. But you always want to have an open hand in case you fall the brace. You don't want to hit your face. It's the most crucial part of your body is your head, so you always want to use extreme caution. All right, for the 10th time today, peace out, y'all.